In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can justify text in Canva, and this is going to be a very quick video because it's very simple. So if you have a text and you want to change the alignment or you want to make the text to be justified, then you can click on the text box right here and click on the alignment, and you can click on the alignment again until you get the kind of alignment that you want for that particular text box. And when you're done, you can stop, and that style will be applied to the text box. I'm going to repeat the process again. I'm going to click on this text, click alignment again and again and again until you get something that you want to have. So you can also click multiple text boxes, like by pressing the shift key on the keyboard and then click on each text box that you want to select, and then you can click alignment, and that setting will be, or that action will be applied to multiple text boxes. And I think it's very helpful if you are dealing with multiple text boxes in your design. So that's basically it. That's how you can justify text in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.